Greetings everyone! Welcome in this new episode of Into the Morin Huur. I'm very glad to share this moment with you again. Today we'll go through the second core exercise that you will need to build your skills. I will explain in detail how to position the left hand on the neck as well as the fingers to play notes on each of the two strings. I will also give you the finger notation for our timeline. Let's get started. We will start with the hand position. First we put the inside part of the thumb against the neck. It should be very soft, very gentle. There is no need to apply any huge amount of pressure. Also, the wrist should be quite relaxed. The thumb level should be around the same as the level of the middle finger. Then, as we had this idea of space between the chest and the neck, here again we will have space between the palm of the hand and the neck. We don't want to grab or hold the instrument with the hand or between the thumb and index finger, as the instrument should be mostly held by the legs. And to move on the neck, the hand should kind of slide as a whole, like a lift, and not rotate on the thumb as we would do while playing a guitar. To finish with the hand, the contact, the touch between the thumb and the neck should be always very gentle and very soft. Staying relaxed is again a key to reach a good sound and later a good vibrato. Indeed, if you are grabbing the neck, then you will just lock all movement, especially in your wrist, in your fingers and in your shoulder. If you keep this tension in your wrist or in your fingers, then the sound will also be full of stress. On the other hand, if you are relaxed and very gentle, the sound will be wide and very warm. Now we can see how to push the strings with the finger to make a note. The usual notation for the fingers is 0 for the thumb, 1 for the index finger, 2 for the middle finger, 3 for the ring finger and 4 for the little finger. About the thumb, we will see a little bit later how to make notes with it. For the index finger and the middle finger, we usually push the string with the upper part of the nail against the flesh, like that. And then for the ring finger and the little finger, we usually should have a little bit longer nail as it would provide stability. Indeed, with these two fingers, we push the string below the nail against the pulp of the finger, like that. Note that usually we should push the string with only one finger at a time. Also, to get the right sound, it's more like an angle issue than a strength issue, as we don't need to push too much on the string. To explain this idea of angle, there is an image that I like to share. Imagine that you are pushing the string toward yourself, like if you want to keep it for yourself. Then the sound will be very strident, like that. It is as if the Morin Huur is reminding us to be generous to the people, to give the note, to give the sound to the audience and to the people. So when you are playing, remind this image and try to push the string a little bit forward, as if you would like to give the sound to the people that are listening. I can give you another image that might help you improve your feeling and sensitivity while playing. You can imagine that the touch of your left hand is the same as the one you would use to carry a child or to embrace your loved one. And for the right hand, the hand that is holding the bow, you can imagine that it has the same firmness and the same strength as the hand that would hold the bridle of a horse. Then the image would be as if you would ride a horse to your family or to your friend while holding your baby in your dell. Now we can get into the exercise. We will start with the lower string with a metronome with a BPM of 60. We will first do 2 bow per fingers, 1 bow being 4 clicks, and once we did the go and back 2 times, we will do 1 finger per click. Now we can do the same with the higher string. Something that might be a little bit singular here is that the little finger will go below the lower string to reach the higher string. This exercise will give more flexibility and sensitivity to your fingers. While playing, stay relaxed, stay peaceful and keep a steady note. Avoid doing vibrato or other kind of fingers effect. It's best to, in the beginning, keep a stable note to have a better bass to reach a full sound in the future. That's it for today's episode. I hope that it was interesting and helpful. As usual, feel free to like or share, and if you want more direct conversation, you can join freely the Discord community. Also, to help the show keep going, you can make a donation or a subscription on my website. Every information is in the description. Feel free to check it out. And until next time, may the blessing of the eternal blue sky be upon you.